Problem is, when these go bad, you're left with a good mirror but no housing.
When the plastic deteriorates or the mirror breaks, you've got a problem. You have to buy the whole unit. Since it's made of a zinc pot metal, you cannot weld it. However, if you want to use a regular style mirror, which are available very cheaply, you can take a couple of metal steel loops and weld them to one of the mounts that usually attaches by glue to the windshield of an American car, and then clamp it and then weld it so it's tight, and then cut off the ball that was on the end. And then when you're through, you do have a replaceable mirror that works with the Vanagon and uses the stock mounting. Anyhow, that's the way we did it, and it tests and clears the sun visors as well.
Well, time to install this little piece of art in the Vanagon. Okay, this is the opening where it goes, and there's a spring clip type thing there in which we'll insert it. Okay, and there's our trusty traffic cone right in the back. As good as stock.